Hello everyone, in today's video we will solve crack the gate 1 picoCTF. So let's start it. So we are given an email address to login. Click on launch instance and copy this email address. Copy this. Now click here and what you have to do now is view page source. Then you can see that there is something written and there is remove before pushing to production. So this must be some kind of hint or something. So copy this and go to decode.fr cipher identifier, then paste that and analyze. It will be rot 13. So here decrypt it, and what it says that jack temporary bypass use header xdev access yes. Okay, so copy this. Now what we have to do is open your burp suite, and here open that website, same website, this, copy this and paste it here. Go to burp suite, then hit enter. Make sure that your intercept is on and enter any password like 0000. Okay, now click on login. Here you can see there is a post request. Send it to the repeater and forward. So it says the invalid credentials. Okay, so now go to repeater, and what we have to do is enter that xdev access yes. Enter this, then send. So if you send now, that you can see that the status score of 200 and there is a flag. Copy this and paste it here. Submit. So that's correct. Okay, so this is for today's video. Thanks for watching.